Right, this question was asked by some students on the worksheet Angle and Arc Measure Review, or Angle Arc Measure Review. This is question number 21. It says, the pizza to the left has been cut with 3 diameters. That tells me, class, that all of the cuts that were made go directly through the center of the circle, since a diameter always passes through the center of a circle. Then it says, fill in all of the missing, let me get my pen here, fill in all of the missing angles and arc measures. So I've got to fill in all the numbers in here and all the numbers in here. Here's the cool part. Since all of these are central angles, once I figure out all the angles in the center of the circle, that's equal to the measure of the arc length. They're always going to be the same if it's a central angle. So my only issue here is, how do I find these out? Well, I can tell you, you better know these. If that's 70 degrees, this is 70 degrees. These are vertical angles. And if this is 45 degrees, this is 45 degrees, because those are vertical angles. Let me write that a little bit clearer. So all I have to do is find this angle measure, and if you look at this, class, diameter FC, you know a diameter cuts a circle exactly in half. That means, think about this, what do these 3 angles add up to? 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, you better know they add up to 180 degrees. So if I want to know the measure of this angle, I'm just going to take 180 minus 70 minus 45. Let's go and figure that out. 180 minus 70 minus 45. So 65 degrees. So now we know this is 65 degrees, and since that's a vertical angle, this must also be 65 degrees. And now you know all the central angles. Writing the measure of all the arc length, all the arc measures is identical. So this question, if it's on a test, requires you to fill out every single one. Oh, there's no room for this one. I'll just squeeze it in there. And there we go. Now if you add up all these numbers together, they'll add up to 360. If you add up all the arc measures, they'll also add up to 360. And sorry, I never wrote this answer down. Let's do this. This is 65 degrees. And there you go. You have filled out all the missing angles and arc measures.